everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Shimli and this is going to be a reading journal after so long. मैं एक reading journal, reading diaries film कर रही हूँ. I am currently in the middle of a reading slump and I'm filming this video hoping कि I'll be out of that reading slump. I don't know what to say in this intro, so you'll see that I am fumbling a lot. Anyway, so I am back home when I am filming this video and I am almost at the end of the vlog when I am filming this intro. So yeah, that was for the intro and let's get started with the reading vlog and I hope that you will like watching this one. Around 1 a.m. and I am 9% in. It's Crash by Freda McFadden. Very randomly started reading this book. कुछ planned नहीं था, so I randomly picked this book up because I want to get out of my reading slump. It's been months. Today I finished reading one book which is a thriller book. It's The Wrong Daughter. I loved reading it and that is when I thought कि I should read thriller books because I've noticed that whenever I'm in a reading slump, I am able to finish reading thriller books. Maybe it's a sign कि मुझे और ज़्यादा थ्रिलर और मर्डर मिस्ट्रीज पढ़नी चाहिए because I think I am for now done with romance novels. I don't hate reading romance novels, but for now I think I don't have a good romance novel recommendation. So yeah, I am reading this book and I know every time I read Freda McFadden book, I want to finish reading it as soon as possible. So that's the update. It's 9% done. Ever read any Freda McFadden book, I can guarantee one thing for sure is that you will forever be in a shop. You'll have zero idea about what's going to happen and you would want to read more. So that is why I think that whenever you are in a book slump or if you don't know what to read, just pick up a Freda McFadden book because right now I am so invested in the book. I want to finish reading it, though I know that I won't be able to do it today because I have to go somewhere. But let's see how much I can read because I am so interested. Listening to the audiobook of Don't You Forget Me. I've heard so many good things about this author and I wanted to read one of her books and I randomly started listening to it. I'll walk for some time and I'll also listen to the audiobook. This is one thing that I wanted to do बहुत ज़्यादा. I am almost 50% done with this book and from what I can understand, the main female character Tegan, she's pregnant with a baby girl, but a stranger comes and helps her. His wife is a nurse and then the main story starts. This is what I am reading. I am going to have to cut her open to get the baby out and then dispose her body. What is this? What am I reading? Hello and change of scenery because I'm back home. Very windy today, so I finished reading 2 books already. It is the perfect weather to read a thriller book and I want to talk about the first book that I finished reading, which is The Crash by Freda McFadden. But I also don't think that I am 100% out of the reading slump. But anyways, let's talk about the book. Main character's name is Tegan, who is pregnant, and imagine being pregnant and being stuck in a basement. I know the entire scenario seems very crazy, very scary also. So I loved how the entire story played out. Though कुछ जगह पे ऐसा लग रहा था कि I know what's going to happen, but again it's a Freda McFadden book, so you cannot 100% predict what's going to happen. But I almost kind of had an idea कि क्या होने वाला है because I've already read few thriller books by now, so I know thoda sa kya hone wala tha, but could not guess the entire plot. And I'm very sure that you will also not be able to guess the entire plot. Overall, it's a nice book and talks about how most women needs motherhood. I won't say that I loved the book, and I have not rated it a 5 star. I've rated this a 4 star because the middle portion I think was thoda sa repetitive. Few scenes were very unnecessary I think, and थोड़ा सा dragged भी किया गया है बीच में, but I loved the ending part of it. But the entire book, just like other Freda McFadden books, was full of twists and turns. I was expecting more from this book, but I'm not disappointed. I think that this book was able to pull me out of the reading slump, but I also think इससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छे Freda McFadden के ही books है, so you can go pick them up. But nonetheless, it was a good book, and I think that you can give this one a try. Once I finished reading The Crash, I was not sure which book to pick next. I was already listening to the audiobook of Don't You Forget About Me, so I started reading the physical copy of Sorrow and Bliss because it has been sitting on my TBR for more than a year now, but I had to DNF it around 25%. Maybe it's not my type of book, or maybe I just picked it at the wrong time. It's a bit slow, and since I was already in the middle of a reading slump, I wanted to read something fast paced, something easy, and this book was not hitting the spot for me. I am continuing listening to the audiobook of it, but while I was filming the video, I chose to DNF it. I finished reading the second book, Don't You Forget About Me. I finished reading it last week and I was expecting a lot, but let's just say that it was not up to the mark, or simply just because I am in the middle of a reading slump. मुझे कुछ भी books ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं लग रहे हैं. That was the first thing that I want to say. So let's talk about the plot now. The main character of this book is a 30-year-old woman who has a difficult backstory and is trying to fix her life. This is the first book that I've read by this author, and it's a rom-com book. The chemistry between the two main characters, Lucas and Georgina, was also quite mid, just like the romance in between them. I was expecting more. I liked this book, but it did not meet my expectations, so I've rated it a 3.5 star or a 3 star. Story revolves around Georgina works at an Italian place as a server until she loses her job. Also, just like the previous book that I finished reading, this one was also dragged thoda sa beech mein. Also, I am very confused if I like Lucas or not. Overall, I think I like this book, but I won't recommend it to someone who is looking for a fast-paced book or a fast-paced romance novels. And currently I am 60 or 70% done with Funny Story by Emily Henry. I cannot wait to finish reading it. I've heard mostly negative or bad reviews about Funny Story, but I don't think that it's that bad. I am actually liking it. So, I finished reading The Funny Story 2 days ago. Let's start by saying that this is not the first book that I'm reading by Emily Henry. This is actually the fourth book that I'm reading. So, how the two main characters meet in this story is the funny story. So, the main female character's name is Daphne, and she is engaged with Peter. And then Peter goes on a bachelorette trip, and on that bachelorette trip, and he comes to a conclusion that he might have feelings for his childhood friend Petra, and Petra is in a relationship with Miles. So then Peter decides to cancel the wedding, and then Miles and Daphne, they move in together. So that is how they get to know each other. I know that it's a bit confusing, but once you start reading the book, I think that you will understand what I am saying. Now let's talk about the review. I think I liked it. I've rated it a 4 star, but someone who has not read any Emily Henry book, I don't think that they should pick this one up. I think they should go for other options like Beach Read, The Happy Place. Happy Place is actually one of my favorite books of all time. The story started off very well. I was very interested, but as the story progressed, I think thoda sa boring hona start ho gaya tha. So that is the reason I've rated it a 4 star. If you love reading tropes like close proximity, enemies to lovers, I think that you will love this one a lot. And with that, we have reached the end of this video. I know your video, it was all over the place. Anyways, I hope that you liked watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time very soon. Bye.